Now, as far as the optional processes go, first, we have the IT security principle of least service. What does this mean? Least service means if you don't need it, don't turn it on. You're going to optimize not only the performance of your Oracle database by turning off unnecessary features and services, but you'll also reduce the attack surface of your system. To that end, if you're not archiving your online redo log files, then you won't need the arc-n process. That having been said, I don't know any Oracle DBAs, to be honest, who do not have their databases running in what's called archive log mode. It makes sense that you absolutely want to archive or back up your online redo log files in the event that you need that record of transactions for instance recovery later on down the road. CJQ refers to the job queue coordinator process, and this spawns slave processes to execute jobs in the queue. In other words, you can set up automatic recurring so-called cron jobs, or if you're a Windows administrator, task scheduler type jobs that recur in Oracle. FBDA refers to the flashback data archive. This is one of several methods supported by Oracle Database 12c for recovering data quickly that has been accidentally destroyed. And then finally, the SMCO is the Space Management Coordinator process. This is, again, just an internal housekeeping process.